way to Laughlin, but on our way, sorry, we are stopping and seeing the bridge that goes over the Hoover Dam. Focused.
Oh, there's a sign.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to get.
Lake Mead.
Alright, now there's some houses. Oh, look!
More rams.
Ram crossing signs versus deer crossing signs. We've never actually seen one though.
Crossing the road. We've seen them.
Well, yeah.
Red or whatever.
Valley of Fire, we saw one. Okay, roll all the windows down. Kind of makes me a little nervous. Lots of cameras, no drones.
No firearms. Hello.
Any guns on board?
No.
Right to your left. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Huh?
Okay.
So, this is what we see outside our room. It's kind of been going on since we got here. And it looked like it was stopping and now it's going again. So, being the good citizens that we are, we're going to go check and see if they need any help. Oh, there's that. Well, we'll show better when we get closer. This is our room.
Pretty basic.
I don't know if you'll be able to hear me because it's a bit windy.
Look underwater. You can see.
I was trying to show this. Sorry, that's a little bad.
Square.
We think it's a wildfire. Because if you see over there, there's one of them fire truck boats spraying water. And it's the grass that's on fire over there.
They have fire trucks and ambulance in the.
Oh, I see over there. Alright, so here's the river. It's recording. Get your hand out of the way. We're in the elevator.
That's the Colorado Village. It's very nice.
Going down.
Oh. Every time.
Pretty cool. Kind of fast though. We're at the Grand Canyon West Rim, because that's what's closest to Vegas/Laughlin. It's like 2-hour drive.
I think we're at Eagle Point.
Oh yeah, Eagle Point. There's normally 3 points, but we only get 2 today.
They have electricity. They were short, or else they always ducked walking into houses.
I didn't have to duck.
If I kept a fire or something here,
Probably so like the fire, the smoke
because
could
it's
go
like
out.
vented out that way, and then there was something there that you could keep warm.
people are on the point down there.
Because that must be the dirty water. That must be the Colorado River that he was talking about.
Be careful when you're hiking.
It's another metal thing like that. It must have been connected.
Yeah, stop.
I'm not
Yes, Catherine.
like right there.
We're at Guano Point. I don't know what that means. Wait, no, yes. He said something they would mine for guano, which is bat poop. They'd use this. Oops. This. And there's another one across, and it stayed there for several years after they quit mining. But then a pilot from Nellis, I think, was flying. I think he said they caught wire, and then the government
Came in and
yeah, Nellis came in or not. I think he said the government.
That's part of
Yeah, came in and took it all out minus this.
Fertilizer. Sometimes you can put it underneath the actual football and then mascara. But look, but most people put it. All right, now,
There's some stuff floating in the water down there. Huh? Hold on, I'm trying to.
it looks so small, but he just said you could fly 2 helicopters side by side into it.
There's some floating in the water. Where?
So, see this rock like right in the middle where it's kind of rugged?
Uh-huh.
Go straight, like from where I'm standing, go straight off.
And it's
just
kind of like this way.
It's kind of a little oval,
Oh, yeah.
and it's kind of angled.
I'm gonna see if I can find it on here. I think that's what they're talking about. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, right, you're zoomed in.